Always keep smiling. It drives people crazy. Every little smile can touch everybody's heart. No one can, no one born is happy, but all of us are born with the ability to create happiness. But being happy is much more than that. You experience joy when you're happy, and freedoms comes from joy in all areas, on all areas in life. Happier people make better decisions because they are aware of their emotion. Do joyful people make you uncomfortable? Hopefully not. You probably heard the saying, smile and the world will smile, right? I firmly believe that this is so true, and a little happy at a little help from my own experience. I'd want to explain my why we should continue smile. I firmly believe I firmly believe that maintaining a true smile is the greatest approach to stay full to cheerful. Smiling smiling allows us to spread our joy to others and are an expression of happiness, love, friendliness, admiration, and goodwill. Is a smile you is a smile. You smile when you see a friend acting like foolish or embarrassing. When you are feeling bad, seeing people smile makes your heart happy, which improve your mood and probably makes the rest of your day better. You smile when someone compliments our academic performance. Our, fo- our, are fortunately a large number of people who are very unhappy because their lives appear to unpleasant many people. These people try to ruin the happiness of others. These people don't understand what is to be true joyful. They think they think they have no control over the happiness. Having a lot of money, the perfect lover or a girlfriend, the right friends and the right work or anything else does not regard regardless true happiness. Although having these things would be grateful, right? You must decide to be happy. Can it can't be it can't be this simple. Yes, always have challenging times in our lives in situation everything goes wrong. So in the end of my speech, remember this: a smile is a act, but it's all great power. It can change your day, lift someone's spirit, and even make the world lighter, brighter. No matter how hard life gets, keep smiling, not hide your pain, but show your strength. Your smile can be light that someone else needs. Always keep smiling because it's truly drives people crazy and the best way possible. Thank you. And keep sharing your beautiful smile with the world.